mrbeast. How much money does he make? How much money does the YouTuber with the highest followers make? We know the most popular influencers are making a lot of money, but one influencer stands head over shoulders above others, and that is mrbeast. mrbeast is popular for his extravagant generosity, a proof that he must indeed be raking in a lot of cash from the platform. It would not only surprise you how much mrbeast makes, but how he makes his money, that he is able to afford to give away millions of dollars every year. In this video, we will satisfy your curiosity and give you in-depth insight into mrbeast's earnings. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new here. We upload insightful videos like this regularly. Jimmy Donaldson, popularly known as mrbeast, is an internet superstar whose YouTube channel has amassed over 19 billion views since he launched it in 2012 when he was just 13 years old. Fast forward to the next 20 years, and mrbeast has an outstanding 117 million subscribers on his main YouTube channel, which can only keep increasing. And don't think that's all. This entrepreneur and philanthropist also has 4 other channels he owns that boast millions of followers. Although what we see is a generous free giver, only a handful might know the details of his life before YouTube. Donaldson was born in the United States on May 7, 1998, in the city of Greenville in eastern North Carolina. After graduating from a nearby private high school, he went on to enroll at East Carolina University. He dropped out of college, after which his mom forced him to leave the house, according to a tweet he wrote in 2019. And if you are wondering why he dropped out, the answer is pretty obvious. He left college to pursue his dream of becoming a successful YouTuber. mrbeast's YouTube journey started in early 2012 when he was 13 years old. He started using the username mrbeast6000 to upload videos to his channel. His early work includes hilarious walkthroughs of online games such as Minecraft and Call of Duty Black Ops 2, videos estimating the wealth of other YouTubers, and reaction videos that got him only around 30,000 followers. Donaldson became famous in 2017 after his Counting to 100,000 video. This video, which was originally about 40 hours long, had to be edited to under 24 hours, and it received tens of thousands of views in a really short time. This video, which he shared with the caption, "I can't believe I did this," and a pinned comment which reads, "Please subscribe, this video was very painful, and if you subscribe I'll buy you a car," has now amassed over 1.2 million likes and 26 million views. When mrbeast sensed what made his viewers tick, he repeated his stunt shortly afterward, filming another video in which he counted to 200,000. Amazing, right? While his other well-known feats include watching the terrible Jake Paul music video, "It's Everyday Bro" on repeat for 10 hours non-stop, reading the dictionary, viewing the B-movie script, Ubering across America, shouting Logan Paul 100,000 times, and anything crazy you can think of. His next deal breaker came in 2018, when he upped his game and started his practice of stunt philanthropy. After a video of him donating $10,000 to a homeless man went viral, and others where he gave $1,000 to strangers, his channels quickly attracted millions of subscribers. This increased popularity was all he needed as he began to do more giveaways that amounted to hundreds of thousands of dollars, even up to $1 million. One of the evergreen videos in this category was posted on December 2019. In this video, he designed a contest where people had to keep their hand on a stack of 1 million cash, with the simple rule of whoever was the last to remove their hand would keep the money, all of it. These videos in particular are among the many that have sparked the curiosity of people as to how much money this extravagant spender has. With his lavish giveaways and delightful challenges, mrbeast has subsequently came to be known for his aggressive generosity. Let's not forget one of his viral pranks in 2021 that revolved around the precise recreation of the Netflix TV blockbuster Squid Game, in which 456 people participated in a series of Korean childhood games for a grand reward of $456,000. Aside from his bizarre money-spending stunts, mrbeast is also a philanthropist, and he has a YouTube channel specifically for this called Beast Philanthropy, which currently has over 10 million followers. The goal of this channel is to eradicate hunger and food insecurity by helping underprivileged areas in eastern North Carolina and other U.S. regions. It is modeled after a mobile food distribution system which manages a pantry and delivers food to those in need. It has so far provided services to more than 221,455 people in the area, according to its official website. One of his most philanthropic moments was in October 2019, when he became co-founder of a foundation called Team Trees, alongside NASA engineer and YouTuber Mark Rober. The project's objective was to plant trees no later than December 2022 and generate $20 million for the Arbor Day Foundation by January 1, 2020. Each dollar received would be used to plant one tree by the charity. To support the cause, dozens of YouTubers joined forces that helped hashtag Team Trees to generate about $4 million in just 24 hours after its inception. And the 20 million goal was surpassed by December of the same year. It goes without saying that MrBeast's value has increased dramatically over the following years since he attracted international recognition in 2018. He has also secured a number of wealthy sponsors in this short period, including Quid, Honey, CSGO, Lotto, TikTok, and numerous others in 2021 alone, who make sizable donations to him to use at his discretion. According to MrBeast, he recycles the majority of his funding back into giveaways and production costs, as well as expanding his line of merchandise that bears his name. MrBeast has always made an effort to avoid critics while concentrating on concepts that can advance him on the platform. Even though some of his videos have received negative feedback, MrBeast's viral giveaway competitions have always helped him gain popularity. Aside from the usual cash prizes we see in his video, MrBeast has gifted his fans, family, and friends a number of luxurious cars and homes over his YouTube career. MrBeast surely does deserve accolades for all his good deeds, right? Well, you are correct, because in 2019, Donaldson took home the 9th Streamy Award for Breakout Creator, and the following year, after winning accolades for Creator of the Year, Social Good Nonprofit or NGO Social Good Creator, and Live Special, he was dubbed the big winner at the 10th Annual Streamy Awards. He was also awarded the Creator of the Year at the 11th Streamy Awards. In addition to being nominated in several categories at prestigious ceremonies since 2019, he was recognized as the Kids' Choice Awards Favorite Male Creator in 2022. MrBeast has also won all the YouTuber Creator Awards, which are Silver, Gold, Diamond, and Red Diamond from 2016 to 2021. There is no doubt that MrBeast is one influential personality, even outside the world of YouTube, and since YouTube payment has increased alongside the streamer's popularity, this already gives a hint into how much Donaldson rakes in from the platform alone. YouTube operates on a CPM basis, or cost per 1,000 impressions. This means you can expect to make around $3 to $10 per 1,000 views. So, with over 117 million subscribers, MrBeast's primary channel receives an average of 11 million unique views per day, which fetches him an average of $55,000 per day. This amounts to 20 million annually from the commercials that run alongside the content. Then there is also his gaming channel, which he launched during the outbreak of the pandemic in 2020 and has amassed more than 1.6 billion views and almost 30 million subscribers. This channel can expect to receive 7 million daily views and earn an estimated $35,000 per day, or 13 million annually from the commercials that run alongside the content. Adding them up, we get a whopping sum of 33 million annually. Remember that this is just an estimate, with just 2 out of the 5 channels he owns. However, in early 2022, it was reported via Forbes that MrBeast earned up to $54 million from his many YouTube channels alone in 2021, ending speculations and answering the question about how much money the YouTube star makes annually. This astounding sum is more than twice as much as Ryan Kaji, the wealthiest YouTuber of 2021, who earned $29.5 million from his channel. Currently, MrBeast ranks first as the highest-earning YouTuber, with Jake Paul in second place at an estimated $45 million. Thousands of people across the world have launched successful careers thanks to YouTube. It's undeniable that MrBeast has dominated this space, and it has helped him amass quite a sizable chunk of wealth. Even though it is impossible to tell what MrBeast will do next, he will undoubtedly continue to earn a lot of money from YouTube, especially as his many channels continue to gain viewers and subscribers. So when next you see him giving out money as he does, just think YouTube. If you love content like this, subscribe to the channel now, and don't forget to click the like button too.